Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. I'm a little groggy still, but I'm excited for the week. Okay, so a little bit about how the main part of our online learning will be conducted. Each week we'll focus on one lesson from a unit, and I'm going to split each lesson into two parts, part A and part B. Each part of the lesson will have a tutorial. Part A tutorial will be Monday, and then Part B tutorial will be Wednesday. Tutorial will just consist of like a notes video, basically, and an examples video. You can watch the videos, you can take your own notes if you want, or you can just listen and follow along. I also have posted blank copies of the notes that I go through in the videos. So if you have a printer, you can print them. If you have an iPad, you can write on them. You can just use those however you want. If you don't have access to those things, don't worry about it. You don't need it, because after the videos I'll post filled in copies of everything I do so you can access them if you need them. After the videos on a tutorial day, there'll be a short check for understanding form. This will just have 5 questions based on the lesson, and a space for you to ask questions, and then a space for you to give comments. So the purpose of this form is for you to check your own understanding, because you can see which questions you got right, and then a little explanation and wrong, and a little explanation of the right answer if you need it. And it's also a way for me to just monitor how well people understood the lesson, so that I can know if I need to reteach or if we're ready to move on. It's just graded on whether you did it. It's not graded on accuracy, so there's no pressure, but you should still try to do your best so that you can get accurate feedback about what you understand, and I can get accurate feedback about what you guys understand. Okay, so that's Monday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Thursday are going to be practice days, and I'll give you more information about that tomorrow. A little other general information, due dates. You may have heard about this in your other classes. Each subject has its own due date for the week. So our due date for math is Wednesdays. So all the work we do this week will be due next Wednesday, and all the main work from last week is due this Wednesday. And we want to allow that people might be working on things at night, so you technically have until 8 a.m. the next day. So our due date is Wednesdays. That means that you have until 8 a.m. on Thursdays to get your stuff in. I will try to grade what comes in each day so you get a lot of feedback, but I won't mark anything as missing until the official due date. Okay, so that's the general information for today. For algebra, your lesson is 6.1. We're starting Unit 6, which is on sequences, and our lesson is 6.1, Intro to Sequences. You're going to learn what a sequence is, and you're going to learn about some special types of sequences, and also a casual way for writing formulas for sequences that will prepare us for writing actual formulas next week. So part A of the lesson today, we're just learning what sequences are and about 2 special sequences called arithmetic and geometric. For geometry, we're starting Unit 6 on trigonometry, and today is 6.1 Intro to Trigonometry, or this week is 6.1 Intro to Trigonometry. In this lesson, you will learn about the 3 fundamental trig ratios, which are called sine, cosine, and tangent, and how to use them to find missing sides in a triangle. And today, for part A of the lesson, we're just focused on learning what the trig ratios are. Okay, so please go in and watch the tutorial videos and then complete the check for understanding. And my office hours are 2 to 4 today. Come by if you have a question. I figured out how to attach my iPad to the screen so I can share my iPad screen with you and write math on it during office hours. which I think is going to be really helpful and cool. So office hours will be helpful. 2 to 4 today. Have a great day.